Number 2 is the R QIDI Technology 3D Printer. Introducing the remarkable R QIDI Technology X-PLUS 3D Printer, the ultimate companion for crafting small objects that will ignite your imagination. With its cutting-edge features and top-notch performance, this printer takes your creation's awesomeness. Let's start with the extruder assembly, which has undergone an incredible upgrade. The dual-gear extruders bring new precision to your prints, ensuring every intricate detail is captured flawlessly. No more worries about clogging or inaccurate prints. The improved heat dissipation keeps things cool, giving you uninterrupted printing adventures. Were you printing large models? No problem! The double Z-axis driver brings stability and precision like never before. You can confidently embark on creating those grand-scale masterpieces without compromising on quality. The X-Plus offers a generous print size of 10.6 by 7.9 by 7.9 inches, giving ample room to bring your visions to life. But wait, there's more! The filament detection function is a game-changer. Never fear running out of filament during a big project, as the printer will alert you when it's time to reload. And if the power unexpectedly goes out, fret not. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box